And today we're going to be checking out this everyday carry multi-tool. That's right. This is something that you can keep in this little pouch, of course, but you can also keep it in your pocket because it is nice and small enough. So let's go ahead, point the camera down, take a closer look at this to see what all this includes. All right, so here's a little tool right here. As you see, you do get this little side pouch that you can carry on your belt, but also in the back of this, you do have multiple bits that can be used with this tool, and they have their own little pocket right here to keep them stored for when you need them. How cool is that? Now, you can also, of course, put your belt through this. It does have a belt loop, so if you want to carry it on your belt and wear it on your side, you can just fine. This is a very tough nylon type material. It is sewn very well. It does have a metal snap on it. And here is the little tool itself. And check it out. This is what I call the not so pretty side, and this is the more pretty side, just because it has the little extra decoration on it. And the first thing that you're going to notice is you have an adjustable wrench right here. Very, very handy, especially for working on your car. Say if you break down on the side of a road and something minor needs to be tweaked, it's nice to have a tool like this. Now it does have other tools, of course. We're going to start on the spine back here, open it up, and there is a knife blade. And then if you open up this side right here, you do have a Phillips screwdriver, or some people call it a star, but it's a Phillips. And then you open this up and you have a flathead screwdriver as well. And then on the bottom of the flathead screwdriver, you have a bottle opener. Very, very cool. Now, if you do need to use the bit set that is provided, you open up the Phillips head, and then you just take the little bit adapter right here, and you slide it over, just like so. And then you can use all these different screwdriver tips for different mechanical needs. And this does give you 9 more screwdriver bit style options. Very, very cool. I do like the fact that this is more of a rubber style holder, so it's more flexible. It's easier to get the bits in and out of. Some of these hard plastic ones, they really get locked in there very hard and you really struggle to remove them. So this is going to make life easier. And the way that it sits in this pouch, it actually keeps all the bits inside just like that. So you don't have to worry about them shaking out or falling out because they're all sitting in a nice little pocket. So let's go ahead and get a piece of wood or something and do a couple tests to see how well this works. All right, so I got this little device that I use with my soldering station just because it's a chunk of oak wood, which is extremely hard, and it has these screws in it. And I first want to try the little Phillips screwdriver to see how it works. And it actually got a very good grip on that screw. Pulled it out, no problem whatsoever. And this is an oak. We're going to close this up, and then we're going to use the wrench here to try to drive this self-tapping screw further into this oak block. Because the problem that you have with a lot of adjustable wrenches are the jaws get loose, which cause you to end up stripping out the head of the bolt. And this one is doing an extremely good job. And I'm not just saying that, it's actually staying tight. The problem with a lot of them is as you work them back and forth and you're screwing stuff in, this tends to back off and it gets loose and you end up stripping out the head of your bolt. But this one is staying very nice and tight. And you can tell I'm putting a decent amount of pressure on this. But yeah, works very, very well. I really am impressed with these jaws on how tight they stay while you're actually using them. I've even had name brand adjustable wrenches that get loose as you use them, causing damage to the actual bolt. So if you're looking for a really cool little tool that's going to be great just for everyday carry, you can have it in your pocket. You can carry it with the case if you want all the extra bits and wear it on your belt. It's going to be great for hunting, camping, hiking, fishing. Put one in your glove box. It's just a great little tool to have for when you find yourself in those times of need. And you'd be surprised how a simple little tool like this can get you off of the side of the road and back on your trip, or maybe even potentially save your life in the wilderness. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.